Hello, good day once again, class. Today I will discuss the major classification. So, since we are done with the primary, secondary, and subsecondary, so let's move forward to major classification or major division. So, in major division class, we need to look only at the thumbs. Why? Of course, mo man na dira. And we need to only look for the loop and the whirl pattern. Why? If it happens that in your thumb fingers has plain arc and tented, it will be represented by dash. Okay? Then if happens that any of your thumb fingers has whirl, then it will be represented by inner, meeting, and outer. So mo lang na imo sulat. But another, if it happens that your both thumbs has a loop pattern, so we need to look for table 1 and table 2. Okay, naay table. But, okay, mati ha. So, since we're done with tracing result, para kini, ang atong left thumb, duha atong kuan, lantawon da dun pag-ingani. If it happens that your right thumb and your left thumb is a loop pattern, look first sa tracing result sa imong left thumb. Why? Because kung pila ang result ini, mo-adjust ang right thumb. Okay? So, if it happens na pag 1 to 16 ang ridge count sa imong left thumb, table 1 lang ang i-follow, both for left thumb and right thumb. And if it happens that 17 or more ang imong left thumb, If it happens that the ridge count of your left thumb is 17 or more, you need to use the table 2 for the right thumb. Okay? So, pag table 1 gani, if ang ridge count niya is 1 to 11, small. If 12 to 16, medium. Then 17 or more, large. Then class, take note, kani atong left thumb as is ra na siya permi sa table 1. Ang mohatag rag adjustment is sa table 2 is ang right thumb. Okay, para ani solve ta ha. Solve na ko. We have 18, di ba? So, stick ra ta sa table 1. So, we need to write L. Then, kay di ba kung 17 or more gani ang atong left thumb, mo-adjust ang atong right thumb. So, ang gamiton ni right thumb na table is ang table 2 na, dili kung table 1. So, 17 man, nakaso sa 17 nasa table 2, pag 1 to 17, imo siya ay butang as small. So, you write S. Ana lang. Another. Okay, another. Okay mo ko darigdagan. Please bear with me. Pamati mo. Okay, wait ha. Ay. Okay. So, we have 23. Then, 10. Then, we have tented and whirl. The result of tented and whirl, outer. Then, we have loop, 30, and whirl, inner. Then, we have arc, tented. Then, we have 10, 30. Another, we have whirl and loop. So, whirl, meeting, loop, 23. Okay. So, look for this anay. We have two loops. Two loop pattern, both for left thumb and right thumb. So, sa rule, pag naay duha gani ka loop pattern, look dayon diri tan-awa dayon ang imong ridge count sa imong left thumb. Pag 17 gani na pataas, table 2 imong gamiton. So naamay 23 diha, 23 man ang imong kuan ridge count, meaning to say ang imong table na gamiton sa imong right thumb is table 2. Okay, balik ko nato to asa to dapit. Table 2 man, so pila may ridge count sa table 2? 10 man to kaina, so you write small. So ang atong ibutang dira as atong solution or the answer or the result is like this. So as is ra ni, always for table 1. So ang mo adjust ang right thumb. So nakabutang dito 10 man, 1 to 17 sa table 2 is still small. So you write S. Okay? So another, naatay whirl pattern. Then the result of the ridge tracing result is outer. And we have tented. So we only need to write outer and dash. Ana lang. Another. So we have loop. Then ang dire pa ibabaw is whirl. Pag ingana gani ang senaryo, walay table 2 nga imong i-adjust. Kay isulat raman nimo kung pila ang result sa tracing. So 30, this is 30, right? So you write large. Kay table 1 naman siya as is. So sa table 1, di ba? Kay ingani large pag 17 or more. Kani. So you write large. And you write, for the right thumb, you write inner. Kay the result of your kuan ridge tracing is inner man. Another, we have the plain arc and the tented. So you just write dash and dash. Kay represented by dash man ang mga arc. Then here, still duha ka loop. So look dayon diri focus dayon sa left nimo nga thumb. Ang iyang ridge count is 10 man. So meaning to say, kay 10 raman, as is ra ni siya as table 1. Ha? Kay mo table 2 ra jud ka pag mo pila na ang counting niya, 17 pataas na gani ng imong left thumb, mo adjust jud ni table 2 bisan pag ang ridge count ana is 2, table 2 gihapon imong gamiton. So diri kay 10 raman, so pila man ang ridge count sa pag ridge count sa table 1, pag 10. So na ay small. Then ang table 1 gihapon 30 man to kaina. So you write pila? You write class. You write small for table for left thumb and large for the right thumb. Okay? So para kanina sab another. Natay whirl, you just need to write the result. So, meeting. And this one, dili na ka mag-adjust for table 2. Why? Whirl man ni. Mo-adjust lang ka pag ang imong pattern pareha loop and ang iyang ridge count ni left thumb is 17 pataas. So, this one will be large. Okay? So, you only need to familiarize the table. And you only need to understand that you only need to use the table 2 if the ridge count of your left thumb is 17 or more. Pag 16 paubos, then as is ra na both for the right thumb and left thumb table 1. Okay? Another. Okay. Pareha na to na loop. Then here we have 33. And here we have 33. So look dayon ta sa atong left thumb. Nakay kuan man ni kana ang 33 man, so meaning 17 pataas. So automatic ang atong right thumb table 2 ang gamiton. So 33 you write large. Dere sa atong table 2, pila man ang large niya? 23 or more, large ang ibutang. So, imong ibutang nato diri na sad sa atong right thumb is large. Okay? If it happens, again class ha, nga whirl diri, din kana tented, just write dash over compile result meeting, so M. Ma-adjust lang gayud ka pag pareha na siya whirl, I mean loop, then dako ang iyang ridge counting result. Okay? So, table 1 and table 2 for loop patterns and IMO for whirls and for dash for arches, for arc pattern. Yan lang. Pasagdiin na ng mga uban na fingers. Dili na ka mag-matter, ana. Pasagdi na, pasagdi. Why? We only need the thumb fingers. Both the left and the right. Or the right or the left. Okay? So, if it happens, ma'am, what if mampungkol ang kuan? Ang iyang finger. So, kung pungkol. So, kung pungkol, kung unsay imong diri whirl, then inner, aray ko. So, man then inner, pungkol na, amputated. So, you just write for the result, for the result, inner and inner. Kay, kung unsa man, i-correspond man niya kung unsa ang pattern. Okay? Again, sige ako danig ka again. So, adjust if your pattern for both right thumb and left thumb is loop, then look for the ridge count result. That's why it's very important that you know how to do ridge counting and ridge tracing. Kaya if you failed gayud, bisag isa ra na kabilang, mamali na dayon ang imong thumb classification. So for example, you have a pattern of 6 eye loop, then ang imong nabilang lang is only 16. So meaning to say, you only need to use table 1 for your right thumb. Na, what if baya, ang sakto baya nga bilang gajud sa imong loop, sa left thumb nimo is 17. Oh, mali na dayon ka. Kay table 1 naman na imong gi-adjust din hi. Okay? So, it's very that you know the basics. So that, even though it's very hard pa to familiarize, but time will come. Dali lang kaayo siya ma-sabtan. I do hope you understand, class. You can ask question, man sab. Thank you.